swerte. Like for example, yung raw fish, it signifies abundance. Yung carrots is an indication of good luck. Green radish symbolizes eternal youth. Saan yung white radish? Yung white radish for prosperity in work and business. Peanut crust symbolizes longevity. Okay, so first step, greet everyone in the table. Gong Si Fat Sai.
Gong Si Fat Sai.
In translation, congratulations for wealth, or may all your wishes be fulfilled. On next step, Ma, squeeze the lime on the fish.
Mama, squeeze.
Pabilog daw dapat pabilog. Huwag mo na isama yung buto para pag hinalo.
Huwag na.
Okay, virgins, you have to say the words. Nyan, nyan, yo,
Yan, ano ito?
Nyan, nyan, yo, you.
Saan yun?
Step 2 na yun. Yung lime symbolizes good luck while the fish is for abundance throughout the year. Tapos add the fish to the salad.
Okay. Add the fish to the salad.
Watch first. Watch. Bakit wala akong green and red packet?
Ayan na-open na
Hindi, dapat may green and red. Oh my God, baka kulangin tayo. Salt and pepper na lang, Promoxica, salt and pepper. Yun lang naman naman yun
There's no green and red packet, but because we are Filipinos, we will adapt. We will get salt and pepper
red
here.
packet. O, lagay ka na lang. Dear, open the green and red packet that contains pepper and cinnamon. Hope of attracting more money and valuables.
Naku, yan pa naman yung important.
Naku, yun nga. Oh my, next year na lang yung red packet na iwanan.
Oh my
Yan.
gosh.
Carlo, add the condiments, sesame seed, and deep fried clarks.
Add the sesame seed.
Yeah. Dali mo lang. Pabilog dapat.
Where?
Ilagay mo na
Lahat na.
Isa.
You put.
Put the flour, Chris, Isaac.
Isaac. Come on.
There! Yay!
Okay, next.
Add the peanuts. Daddy.
Daddy, pour the peanuts. Pabilog.
Pabilog lahat. O,
Where
dapat
is the-
sabihin natin, Jin Yin Man Wu.
Jin Yin Man Wu. And Pian Di Wang Jin.
Signifies success in business and a household filled with gold and silver.
Okay, yan important yan. So, dagdagan natin. Jin Yin Man Wu. Pian Di Wang
Okay, pour the plum
Success
sauce.
in business. Yay!
Pour the plum sauce, Daddy, yun.
Anong plum sauce?
Hindi, nag-ano na si Mami.
Alisin na natin.
Okay lang.
Ihap nyo. Pa-circular, Papa.
Bakit may plastic?
Lahat yan, lahat.
Oo,
Hindi
sige
ko
na,
naman
marami
yun.
naman.
Okay, that's
fine. Come on.
Tapos oil pa, yung oil. Oil.
Oo.
Si Aris naman.
Aris yung
Kaya
oil.
pag nagawa si Aris, go.
Pabilog, Aris.
Oy,
Pabilog.
sinabi ba natin yung words? Yi, bin, wan, li.
Yi, bin, wan, li.
Increase all profits 10,000 times and to encourage money to flow in all
O
directions.
yan, 100 times natin sabihin.
Ayan,
Yi,
ito,
ben,
step.
wan, li. And Kai, wan, guang, jin. Yi, ben,
100%.
Next step, we toss the salad. The
And
higher,
siya-
the better. Tapos 7 times. As high as you can, say lohe. Tapos yung wish nyo
Okay,
throughout the year.
Then at the ceiling.
One.
Ang natin ito, alis pwede.
Mamaya na.
Mamaya na, mama. Mag-toss muna tayo.
Okay, Leo. Toss.
Toss time. Ay, sa
Low.
Lohe.
Higher, the better.
Hindi, mag-lohe ka na.
Maswerte. Kahit isa lang.
Lohe.
How about you? Oh,
Lohe.
Leo, Leo.
Say lohe.
Okay, oh, Isaac.
O tayo ay.
Isaac. How about you? Leo, Leo. Leo.
Say lohe.
Lohe. Leo.
You toss me, Daddy. Go.
Lohe. 6, 7 pa to. 7!
Ayan, tikman niyo na ako
Now, what's next? Finish na?
Kala ko prank.
Eat na the salad.
Eat na the salad para siyang atsara.
Kung hey, Pachoy! Yay!
Kain na tayo.
You want ice cream?
Hi!
You want ice cream?
Ano ba yan, noodles?
Para siyang atsara. May carrots, may
Oh,
papaya.
parang
atsara.
Parang atsara. Pero wala kaming red and green packet. Yun ang